everybody, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Walgreens was actually pretty good this week. It ended up being a money maker for me. Pretty excited. I like to walk around after, you know, I find everything that I need, and then I kind of walk around and see some deals. I also kind of look at my digital coupons to see what other deals I can do, and there was some deals that are pretty awesome. There's one deal that is a really good money maker, so I'm gonna share with you guys on that in just a second. I gotta roll down my window because it's hot out here. Okay, so the first deal I did was the Captain Crunch cereal. I was pretty excited to get this. I've been really getting into eating cereal again. So the Captain Crunch cereal is $1.99. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts, I want to say like 2 weeks ago. You guys would just get these for $2.98 or just $1.49 if you want to do that. So I got that, okay? I also got some Cocoa Pebbles because I'm really craving some Cocoa Pebbles. These are just $1.99. No coupons for that. And then I also got the Oreos. These are again $1.99, but if you guys really want to start gaining points or Ibotta deals, you can get a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta. So you would pay $1.99 for this. You guys submit as 25 cents. Comes out to be $1.74 for that. So if you guys need to stock up on cereal, one thing I forgot to mention right away, you guys, a lot of you guys liked my shirt that I was wearing last week, my Coupon Addict shirt. I actually designed this shirt, and like the last couple years I've actually had it available to sell. I can only sell it so many times because I have to have a minimum. So if you guys want a shirt, that Coupon Addict shirt, it comes in different colors. There's a v-neck, there's a t-shirt, there's a sweatshirt, a hoodie. Somebody has their music got really loud. If you guys want to get that, I will put the link below, but you have like another week and a half to, if you guys do want a shirt. People compliment me on it all the time because, you know, they see me with my clipboard, they see me with this, they see me with that, and they're like, yep. So if you guys want a shirt, definitely use it. You have another week and a half to get it, and then it goes away and it won't be back again until I have a lot more people at it. But I do need to sell a minimum of 11 to print. I just need like a couple more. So if you guys want it, go for it after it ends, and then they send it to you. So you guys should be getting it in July after the thing ends. So giving you guys a heads up, I have about 5 of these shirts. I have 2 t-shirts, I have a sweatshirt, I have a hoodie, I have a tank top. So yes. Okay, so the next deal I had was, I looked at the digital coupons, you guys, and I had a ton of digital coupons for the degree, and I totally forgot to write this down. Give me 1 second. Sorry, you guys, I think sometimes I have everything written down and then I forget to write it, but I got the degree deodorant. There is an okay deal for this if you guys need to go ahead and get degree. So I got the ones that were $3.79. I have multiple digital coupons for degree. I had 2 $1.25s and I had 2 $2.50. Now that varies per account. Sometimes it says it like just for you, so it depends on what you guys want to do. I really want to roll my window down, but the person like went inside the store with their car running and their radio blaring really loud. It's like, seriously. But you guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use those 4 digital coupons. You would pay $7.66, but then you guys will get 4,000 points when you buy 4 of them. Comes out to $3.66 or just 91 cents a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that. I'm going to roll my back. Window down because it is getting hot in here. Okay, so that is that. I also did the Dove body wash, you guys. Now the Dove body wash, this was $7.49 and this is $6.99. The coupon that you have is a buy one get one free coupon, but it takes up to $6 off, and most of the time it takes it off of the higher valued one. So you guys want to use these are buy one get one 50% off. So you use that coupon, you guys would pay $4.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 1,000 points when you buy 2 of these. It comes out to be $3.98 or $1.99. Now I totally forgot to check if Fetch Rewards is giving extra points away for these, you guys, so we will check. Let me just scroll through it so I can let you. So you each will get 1,250 points. So that comes out to be like $1.25 each for these, you guys. So that comes out to be a better deal. So you get 1,250 points for each of these. Awesome. So this is what you guys can count to Fetch, and then the degree you guys can also get for Fetch. And it says I also get possibly 1,000 points for that. So check out Fetch if you guys haven't done that. Okay, now they have a deal with the Crest toothpaste, the Crest mouthwash, and then he threw it in my bag. The Oral-B toothbrushes. Now you guys have to do these in 3 separate transactions if you want to do this deal. But these are currently $2.99. You guys want to use a $1 off digital coupon for the toothpaste, a $1 off digital coupon for the mouthwash, and a $1 digital coupon for the Oral-B. Make sure you guys scan the mouthwash because the bigger bottles didn't count for the $1 one. There is a 3 off of 2, but it's actually better to do the deal with the, it comes out to be free. If you do the $1 off coupon, you have to pay a little bit more out of pocket, but there is a different deal to do the 3 off of 2, so, or 5 off of, yeah, I can't remember. So anyways, you guys would end up using that $1 off digital coupon. You guys would pay $1.99, but then you get a $2 register reward. And like I said, you guys can do this deal multiple times. You just have to do them in separate transactions, so basically comes out to be for free. So that is awesome. Now there is a different toothpaste deal that you guys want to do. This is currently the Crest ProHealth. I love this toothpaste right now. So the Crest ProHealth is $5.99, okay? There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would end up paying $8.98, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you get 4,000 points for buying 4 of them. Comes out to be just 98 cents. So that comes out to be 49 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. And I did this and the other toothpaste in the same transaction, so both coupons would come off. So if you guys want to go do that, go for it. And something else I was gonna say. Oh, and I do have a digital video for you guys also. I will be posting that shortly after I post this video. So the next deal we have is the Palmolive dish soap. Now, these are currently $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would end up paying $3.48 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 2,000 points. It comes out to be $1.48 or 74 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. Now, if you guys don't have that 50-cent off coupon, there is a deal that you guys can do with the Palmolive soap, the Suavitel, which my store was sold out of, and I finally found the other item that I've been looking for, or the Fabuloso. So you guys can mix and match however you want, but you want to buy 2 of them. You can do as many as you want in one transaction. Check in households, you guys. There's a lot of like 3 off of 18, 3 off of 25. I had a ton of them, and 2 of them worked in this transaction, or in my transactions. So giving you guys a heads up with that. But if you mix and match however you guys feel like it, you would buy 2 of them, you'd pay $3.98, but then you get 2,000 points. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Okay, now the next deal I did was the Rojo. You guys, these are freebies right here. All 4 of these are freebies, okay? So let me share with you guys this purple one. This is the normal one. We get this all the time. This was $13.99. Where did I write that? $13.99. There is a $5 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. Plus, you guys can use the Walgreens booklet, or there is a digital $4 off coupon that you can use in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $5 rebate with Ibotta, making these absolutely for free. So, got that. Now, I had these other Rojo deals. Now, there is currently a 7 off of 2, and there's a $3 one. Well, I accidentally clicked the $3 one when I wanted to do the 7 off of 2, but it ended up still becoming a moneymaker, you guys. So if you guys have those coupons, and I did all 4 of these in one transaction, so I got 1 of each. These are $8.79. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon and a 7 off a 2 digital coupon, plus the $4 off coupon that's in the Walgreens booklet. I usually have them scan the booklet, otherwise you can clip it to your card. But usually I think if you clip it to your card, it's like one and done. The booklet you can use multiple times. You guys would pay $4.37 for all 3 of these. $4.37. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate. Now this is all the same rebate. It is a limit of 3, so I just got all 3 different ones. But you guys can submit $3, $3 for a rebate on Ibotta, making this a $4.63 moneymaker, you guys. Loving it. Yes. Okay. And I think I got one more thing for you guys. It is the Renuzit. My paper coupon did not scan, but there is a digital coupon for you guys. So the Renuzit is 89 cents. There's currently 2 different deals. There is a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon, and then there's also a $2 off a 6 coupon. So you guys can use either or. If you guys have not submitted your receipt to Ibotta, I would definitely wait till it resets before you do this deal again, just because, you know, sometimes it doesn't reset. Like I bought this a couple weeks ago, and then it reset, and then there's a bonus where if you buy 2 separate transactions you get a $1 bonus, but I will not know if this will reset after this, so we will see. But 89 cents, you guys want to use the buy 1 get 1 or buy 4 get 2 free coupons. You would pay $3.56 for this, but then you guys can submit a 2 off of 5 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.56 or just 26 cents a piece. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Or you guys can use the $2 off a 6 coupon. You would pay $3.34. You can submit a 2 off of 5 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.34 or just 22 cents. So it depends on what you guys want to do. But that was my haul. Sorry, I'm like really hot in here. I got some special root beer, and it's just like, oh, tastes so good. Okay, so my total came to $22.21. I only paid like maybe $5 out of cash, out of pockets, because I did pay with points. But I did use $10.50 worth of register rewards that I had from last week. Mostly what I used those for was the cereal, because those could be filler items. So I got that. Everything else I pretty much had an individual coupon for, pretty much. So technically, my total came to $32.71. But I did receive $12 back in points. I got points for the Dove, the Palmolive, the Fabuloso. I got points for the Crest Pro the Crest Pro toothpaste. I also got it also for the Degree. So I got $12 back for points. I received $6 worth of register rewards. That was for the 3 separate transactions of the Crest and Oral-B. And then I also submitted my Ibotta, you guys. They're still waiting to fix my Ibotta from last week. Like, they're like, oh, can you please send us the receipt? I'm like, you guys have the receipt. I scanned it. It's on file. Oh, and then can you take a picture of the items? And I'm like, I scanned the items and they scanned fine. So I'm still waiting for Ibotta to fix it, but I even called them out on this. I'm like, why is this continually happening? It's like, Ibotta's been awesome, and then all of a sudden they've been failing miserably. A lot of you guys have said you've had nothing but problems with Ibotta, and I kind of called them out on it. I'm like, why is this continually happening all the time? Like, either you have us submit your receipts and do it ourselves, or that your system needs to be updated to do it. So I don't know. I'm still waiting for them to send me $11 from last week, but I did get $20.25 back with this haul, and everything worked out fine. My second transaction, it didn't catch the Rojo or the Renuzits. I scanned it and it actually got approved right away. So yeah, so my grand total came to a $5.54 moneymaker. But I also received a $1 bonus with Ibotta, so that technically came to a $6.54 moneymaker. And then once I scan my receipt with Fetch Rewards, I'll probably get $3 back. So that's even more of a moneymaker. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you guys want a shirt, I will try to have the link below. Otherwise, just go back a couple videos. I have all the information of the prices, the sizes, and everything if you guys decide to do that shirt. But these are really soft shirts. I love it. I wear them all the time, especially in the summertime, because you know what, I gotta let people know I'm a crazy couponer, which I actually need to make a shirt for myself that says crazy couponer. But again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys all next week, and see you guys all later. Bye bye.